Shifen, the waterfall. This is what it's looking like. I really don't know how much walking this is. It doesn't look like a lot, but it probably will end up being a lot. But we're gonna find out. Okay, so we made it to Shifen. It's about a 15-minute walk before we actually get to the waterfall. And apparently it's like Niagara Falls, right? It's like Niagara Falls?
Taiwan's Niagara Falls. Hi!
Oh, hey!
Yeah.
All the vlogging, I love it. I don't know what this little area is, but it's super cute. I think it's a good look or something. Yeah, I'm gonna assume that it's something good too. But it's cute. The food smells so good. So yummy. I don't know what this is. The sausage? I think it's a hot dog. It's actually good. It reminds me of Chinese sausage. This is so good. Like, it is really delicious. Well, okay, we're at Shifen Waterfall. It is so pretty. You guys, this place is so pretty. Like, I'm definitely getting a lot of inspiration being here because when I was back home, I was feeling really depressed and like wanting to give up. But I'm glad I came on this vacation with my friends. I really needed to recharge because my battery was super low. I was ready to just give up on everything. Like, I'm so close to like meeting my goals for this year, and I was like, okay, now definitely can't give up since I have been super inspired by this trip. Like, now I have no reason to be sad about anything because there's nothing but good fortune coming your way. You just gotta believe hard enough and it will freaking happen. So whatever your dreams are, get up now, just start. There's never a perfect time to start, so just start and figure out what to do and how to get there along the way, and you will get there just like me. So that is my inspiration for this vlog. I have no idea what we're doing next. I have no idea literally what we're doing next. I know we still have an hour ride back to where we were, close to our Airbnb. But I think we have one more thing to do, but I'm not sure. I can't remember exactly what we're gonna do. But this feels so good here. Like, I can be here all day. Like, this feels amazing. Y'all need to come to Taiwan, like, for real. It is so pretty here. Wow, this is a nice photo spot. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it is blue. I love this. Oh, so many people though. Honestly, you can like walk past me and then get the mountains. Do you want to? There are people coming. The mountains. We made it to Jiufen. Look at the snow pieces. It's so cute. Just the first store. There's so many stores. I know. I need to like not buy stuff that I see right away. Yeah. Oh, it's starting to rain. I felt a sprinkle on me. Oh really? Yeah, I did. But we made it Jiufen, but first we're gonna go watch the sunsets, and then go walk around. We have 2 hours to just like do whatever, I guess. house from Studio Ghibli. The house, I mean what is it? A hotel? Yeah, Spirited Away. This is exactly what it is. We came to this place to do tea ceremony, I guess. It looks just like the Spirited Away hotel in the movie. My eyelashes just falling off. That's how hot it is. It's so hot.
这是轻度烘焙的阿里山的乌龙。
1/4 of the tea from the mountain.
一半的水洗一下茶叶，那不好的。
Half water.
Have water to wash it leaf.
Watch the tea leaf.
接下来大概倒满浸泡时间20秒。
We stay about 放多5分钟吗？
秒
2秒
，20秒
，20秒。30 seconds to
没水加10秒。
冲5次 You have to wash tea for 5 times.
冲5次的意思说可以喝到5次，
加水壶冲5次。
可以冲5次。
谢谢，请继续。
The lady said we can when we made for the leaf, hot pot, we can refill it 5
5 times to get the
这里还有2次，
这还可以2次哦。
smell. Okay.
来，again. It's very hard because Portuguese is for smell.
Smell it.
It's the first time to smell. Not for good.
你要讲英文。
你讲得很好，你
Okay, got me. Baby food. It's giving peas. Like
I said baby food.
yeah, baby food. Yeah. It does. It smells like baby food.
这喝了吗？
Is it oolong? Is it oolong tea?
Yeah.
Okay, we're drinking oolong tea.
有点点不一样，因为温差不一样。
The temperature changed the smell, the flavor of the smell.
Oh
Yeah.
wow.
This is a oolong tea. Oolong.
Okay, yeah, oolong.
The Taiwan oolong tea from the mountain.
Taiwan oolong tea from the mountain.
再倒下去，
然后就放在这里。
要过滤它的水。我们之所以要过滤，那是因为前面倒在这里，茶的
It's a
味道
little bitter, but I like the bitterness of the oolong tea.
它1秒，那你到最后就5、6秒的味道。
It's not overbearing.
对。
If you like bitter tea, this is where it's at, for sure. This is good. I love oolong tea. It hits the spot. Pink. My pinkie's kind of crooked. Let's get pink. Yeah, this has been such a fun day. And I get to oolong tea.
We'll have to refill the tea ourselves.
I'm so excited. This has been fun. This is gonna be fun to edit. I'm excited.
No, that's why she
So
said.
now I'm just waiting outside to take pictures.
We have to.
And then
Were you doing sarcasm with her? I couldn't tell.
so
You couldn't tell.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. That's why I was like, I can't tell.
okay, this is mochi.
Plum.
Plum.
Yeah.
It's just a piece. This is the green tea cake. Oh, we got the same cake.
And there's soft
You guys have 3 people.
Yeah,
soft
yeah.
hanky, please.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
This is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try this plum thing. Is there a seed in the middle?
Yeah.
My mom eats this stuff. Where put the sugar?
Throw it out.
There's seed in the middle. Yeah, it's not supposed to be a seed in the middle.
要泡茶的吗？还没有。
It's good, I like it. No complaints.
Care about.
Now we're gonna try mochi.
That was the first time we have to learn how to do it. I don't know anything about tea.
Yeah.
Like I do that 40 seconds and then that
I love
5
mochi.
seconds and you're like,
There's black
how do you
mochi.
exactly remember all the time?
And give me like a little hint of chocolate.
It's good though.
The mochi's really
We're
good.
gonna get bomb pictures, all of us. If we're picking.
Okay, I got a piece of the green one. I know, this is like peanut butter. It's so good. It reminds me of this this Mexican candy. It's like rosa something. It's a Mexican candy.
White one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it tastes like. Okay, just like the Mexican candy. It's so good. Yeah, this tastes good together.
Yeah.
The oolong tea.
Yeah.
It's okay, we'll do this and then...
If you're doing this, you spend like a 40 minutes.
So, let me see.
40 minutes here.
Tastes like popcorn. This is good. I really like
I'm not a
it.
huge fan of that though.
Yeah, it's my least. I wish I would have eaten this first.
Alright,
I love the mochi and the green tea. It's just like peanut butter. This is good. I could stack all the sesame seeds. All the desserts were delightful. Very demure, very cutesy,
And very mindful.
and very mindful. Thank you, Sarah.
Sorry, we want to sit there.
Now we're gonna go take pictures.
I figured it out why she's the talk of the town.
Okay, good morning. Wait, is it still morning? Yes, it is 11 a.m. We are on our way. We're going to Taipei 101, which is it's a mall.
No, it's like the Tokyo Skytree version.
Oh,
But taller. That's
Yeah.
what I heard.
We're gonna go to like what she said, and then we're gonna walk around, basically just see what they have there. Wait, is it connected to the mall?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that. First we need to go to the Taipei train station. By the way, Google Maps works in Taiwan. I have gotten around perfectly fine and I have not gotten lost yet. So definitely do Google Maps when you're in Taiwan. And everything is in English too. So catching the buses and stuff is pretty easy because they have the English wording and all that. So it's pretty easy navigating in Taiwan. I don't know
Yeah,
what else.
that's pretty much it. We're gonna have like a very relaxing day today.
Yes, and then we're gonna go to the spa and get massages later. And then hopefully we do karaoke tonight because Pepe was like,
That would
supposed to
be
do
fun.
karaoke. Yeah, I've been wanting to do karaoke for the longest time. Like I wanted to do it in Korea and Japan, but the people I went with didn't want to do karaoke. And I'm like, I want to do karaoke. We have got to experience this. Karaoke with good soju or whatever drink. I just want to sing. Oh, Taipei Station.
Clean slate, here we go, dropping like Geronimo, popping Tropicana flows, boats till we bubble up, undercover, they don't know, they don't know, they don't know, they don't know, running like.
Okay, so we made it to Taipei 101. It looks like we gotta go to the fifth floor to buy our tickets. And once we buy our tickets, it's gonna be on floor 3580. Okay. Oh wow, this is cute. This is what the fifth floor looks like.
Just so you can't see up high because it's raining. That's why.
Oh, it's outside.
Yeah.
It's just water.
They said the view. You said the view is on close. If you want to get
Oh,
blurry, yeah, that's
If you want to take some picture, yeah, I
It's not
think it's a box upstairs.
Oh, okay.
So you're just gonna be 89 one and not do 101? Or do you want to wait?
It doesn't matter. I mean,
Because when I did it in Tokyo, when it's also like when it's that day, it's like foggy, so you can't see.
super foggy. We could just go to the 89th floor.
Yeah.
Or did you want to do both? I mean, it doesn't matter to me.
Well, if you can't see anything, what's the point of going to 101?
But the 101
Yeah.
is just the indoor observatory, so the view is similar with 89th floor, just more 10 floors.
Oh. Okay, we just do the 89th floor then.
Yeah, I always do 89.
Okay?
I'll just use my card. Shit. Okay. This is what the tickets are looking like. So we're not gonna go to the 101st floor because it's foggy. So there's no point of going all the way up there if you can't see nothing.
Go up. We're
Yeah.
gonna go up. Just there's no point in going up.
We're going all the way up since it's the same view. Yeah. But we're still going to the 88th floor. Yeah. So.
We have coupons.
Oh, nice. There is.
No.
Oh. All right. My ears are definitely gonna pop. Out of the elevator.
各位，快请一人菜。等待着的モニターをご覧ください。お乗り空間の高さ、スピード、3、1を表しています。
It's so true.
Huh?
The visibility is so true. Look at this.
Wait, this is not the window fogging? Like this is what the heck?
Yeah, this is this. See this?
Wow, we're literally up in the clouds, literally.
This is.
I've been doing anything. You implement an earthquake, I have to show you. Oh, every time. Okay, when Typhoon Phoenix hit Taiwan on September 21st, 2014, the world's largest Typhoon Phoenix. Taipei 101 tuned mass winds damper actually swaying during Typhoon Phoenix. That's amazing. See, then that's a huge earthquake. That's a 6. Like, wow. They're in there during the like, what the hell?
Look at the girl taking a picture still. Anything for the shot.
No, for real.
你们好，我们是 Denver Babies。
Okay, so we're done with Taipei 101. We're at the food court. I already ate. I had like some. What did I eat? Like bibimbap? I had something like bibimbap. I don't know. It was really good. It was like pork belly. It was pork belly with kimchi and rice. It was pretty good. But now my friend's over there getting Mr. Donut. But I don't want Mr. Donut because when I had Mr. Donut in Japan, it was not good. So I was scarred and I don't want it. So there's a cinnamon place that I saw. So after that, we're gonna go and get the dessert that I want, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel and get massages later because our body hurts from walking every freaking where and up and down the stairs at Jiufen. Jiufen is super fun. Again, you guys have got to go. So we're probably gonna just do that, and then later on we're gonna do karaoke, which I'm super excited about because I've been wanting to do karaoke for the longest time, and now we're finally gonna do it. So okay, so that's pretty much what we're gonna do here at the mall. So I just see you guys when we get back to the hotel, or maybe when we just do our karaoke at Pick back up there. Then.